Here we are showing the pressure increase with depth. Three identical holes have been drilled into the bottle at varying heights. The heights are measured from the top of each orifice to the surface of the water. Pressure was calculated using these heights with the equation P is equal to rho GH. Water jets were observed with three having the strongest and one having the weakest water jet. Here we are using one orifice. Instantaneous vertical height and horizontal distance is measured simultaneously multiple times. Vertical height is measured from the top of the orifice to the surface water level. Horizontal distance is measured where the water jet touches the horizontal roller. We calculate experimental velocity using the horizontal distance with the formula v is equal to d over t, and theoretical velocity using v is equal to root 2 gh. Flows and errors are calculated from these values.
As you can see, there is a successive decrease in prismatic head along the length of the pipe in the direction of flow. Thus, the prismatic head due to head loss caused by pipe friction was observed. The water level in the reservoirs, as well as in the straws, or prismases in this case, were measured and determined in order to find the total energy loss in the system. The hydraulic grade line was then plotted from this data and compiled into an experimental report. Lastly, the total head loss due to friction was calculated by using the difference in still water levels in the reservoirs. Thank you.
Okay, as you can see, the water is supplied from the tap, flows through this supply pipe, and the water enters the body pump and will close the impulse valve, and the impulse valve is closed by the water momentum, and the pressurized water within this portion will open the delivery valve, and the water will rise in the air chamber. As you can see, the air will be compressed and will push back the water to close the delivery valve again, and the pressure created within this portion will force the air valve to open, and the water will be allowed to reach this height, to rise to this height, as you can see. The cycle will then continue